Good morning and good afternoon, Geo Metro Ninjas. Welcome to the study guide review completion. We're going to work through the study guide together in preparation for our test on Friday. Okay, so what we're going to work through, some of the stuff you can see on the first page is set theory, unions, intersections, complements, and problems and or problems. That's our simple geometry. How to tell if two events are independent or dependent. Um, Conditional probability, remember that uses the word given or the little bar. Venn diagrams, two-way frequency tables, and lastly, tree diagrams. Or, remember, if we don't want to do a tree, we can go fundamental counting principle. Okay. Let's look at our first page. Like our notes, we're going to break it down page by page. That way you can just scroll back and forth. You know what? I think I'm going to do this one block by block. So we're going to do 1 through 4, make a new video. 5 through 10, make a new video. We'll see what happens. All right, set number 1 says use the following sets to answer questions. So we've got our universal set, set A, and set B. It wants us to list the sets that is in our union, and remember, union means or, in set A or set B. Okay, so we want to see whoever's in set A and whoever's in set B. Siri, come on now. So we're going to go through, we're going to make our set. So we look at A, we look at B. I've got a 0 in B. So remember, we want to try to put these in numerical order. It's not necessary, but it's just a cleaner, neater thing. There's a 1. There's a 4. Both of them have a 5. B has 7. A has 8 and 9. And so remember, with or, it's going to be everyone that's included in either set. And when we have duplicates, we only write them once. Okay. A's complement. Remember, that means not. So we want whoever's not in A. So that's going to be whoever's in the universal set or in set B that is not part of A. Okay, so when we look, 0 is not in A. 2 is only in our universal set. 3 is only in our universal set. 4 is in both universe and B. 6 is in universe and B. Or nope, just universal. And 7 is in our universal. Okay, so these are all the numbers that were in our 3 sets. So in universal and set B. But it could not be 1, 5, 8, or 9. Remember, the complement means not. Okay, same idea. But now it's not in set B. So now, again, anybody that's in the universal set that is not included in B. So it can't be 0. So we're going 2, 3, 6, 7, and 9. Right? And our last one says elements that are in A and B. So this is an intersection. An intersection means and. So they've got to be in both. And the only numbers that are in both are 1 and 5. Okay. Now it doesn't say to do it on this one, but we're going to just because I want to. And hey, it's our review. We can do what we want, right? So let's make a Venn diagram. Come on, be a square. Wow, that was just a line. Can you imagine? Okay. Well, it's not a very big square. I can fix that. Watch this. Magically a bigger square. Alright, so we have our Venn diagram. And we're going to take our Venn diagram and take the elements in our set and put them in. Well, let's zoom back out here. So remember, this is our universal set. Set A and set B. Okay, A has 1, 5, 8, and 9. B has 0, 1, 4, 5, 7. 1, 4, 5, 7. Okay, so that is our universal. So that's our Venn diagram. Okay, and we still got a couple more we got to pick, but let's make sure that we don't have any duplicates. So in our number 4, we said the numbers that were in A and B are 1 and 5. So we automatically know that 1 and 5 are going to be our middle. Okay, so we're not quite finished.